Our next problem is ABCD is a parallelogram. The sides AB and AD are produced to E and F respectively such that AB is equal to BE, AD is equal to DF. Prove that triangle BAC is congruent to triangle DCF. So this is also framed in sentence. It's not given any picture. So we need to draw the picture. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, draw the parallelogram here and name it like A, B, C, D. AB and AD are produced to E and F. So AB is produced to E and AD is produced to F in such a way that AB is equal to B. So AB is equal to B, AD is equal to DF, AD is equal to DF. Prove that triangle BEC, that means we need to extend this line to E, and triangle DCE, so DCE, so we need to draw an extra line to here. Okay, so these two triangles, triangle BEC, triangle DCE are congruent. That's what we need to prove. So if you see ABCD is a parallelogram, so AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC, and angle B is equal to angle D. That's what the parallelograms represents. So angle B is equal to angle D. So since we produced AB to E, so this makes like this one makes a straight line angle, and even here AD produced to F, so this one makes a straight angle which is 180. Now we need to prove triangle BAC is congruent to triangle DCF. So consider those two triangles, triangle BEC and triangle DCF. Okay, if you observe those two carefully, directly it is given that we need to prove congruency between those two triangles, so I considered those two triangles only. And if you observe those two triangles, some equalities we can observe, which are BE is equal to DC. Okay, since AB is equal to BE, AB is equal to BE and AB is equal to DC, so I can write DC is equal to BE, and along with that we have BC is parallel to AD and equal also, so BC is equal to AD and AD is equal to DF, so we can write BC is equal to DF, BC is equal to DF. So we got two sides relations. So other sides we need to try, but we don't have such information about it, so we need to go with the angles. So if you go with angles, consider this B and D angles. So in a parallelogram, the angle at the corners at B and D are equal. So if you see here, if B, consider if B has some x, so this will also be x here in the parallelogram, then this angle will become 180 minus x. And here also this is straight line and this angle is x, and remaining thing like this thing, this angle will be 180 minus x. Okay, so I'm talking about this angle, I'm talking about this angle here, so I'll specify that one now. So here angle EBC is equal to angle FDC, angle EBC, that means this much angle, angle FDC, that means this much angle. These two angles are equal, which is 180 minus x. So we got three relations, equal relations from these two triangles. So then we can say triangle BEC is congruent to triangle DCF. Hence we proved that one. The main thing is, even you can prove the parallel lines also, parallel lines and transverse also, just I used these two angles.